Vir 'n voorgereg is 'n crispy potato roll wat bacon en eie en gember en sout het. En dan saam met 'n komkommer bakkie slaai en 'n sweet chili sauce. Ek wil gaan dit geniet. Dit is my eerste keer dat ek dit gemaak het. Ek het self nog geproe nie, so ek kry dit. Dis wonderlik. Dis lekker.
So Christy, tonight is the final night for Wine and Dine Middelburg, and we've got the final contestant busy in the kitchen, Natasha. What do you think she prepared for us in this starter?
It looks like a crispy potato bread roll, so it's going to be interesting. I've never tasted this before. I've actually never heard or seen this dish before, so it's going to be very good. It looks very interesting. The presentation is very, very good. So, yes, let's taste it.
Wat is dit? Ja, je maakt mash en dan rooi je hem in een broodje en dan rooi je het in als je het dag. Zeker baie rustig. Iets op en dit is jouw.
What an interesting dish, and it was really good. I must say, the flavors combined with the potato, the small salsa salad she made, and the sweet chili combined was really a mouthful of flavors.
The preparation behind the dish is quite difficult because there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done in a certain amount of time. So what I enjoyed is that the mash on the inside, or the potato, was cooked properly. I could taste a hint of ginger, okay, and I also tasted some red onions, and that was nice. Over here we've got Natasha's main. So it is a buttered chicken with some basmati rice.
The thing with the Indian people is they are really good in making their meals. Their spices are always perfect. So yes, I think the only thing that looks to me that's short is a nice poppadom. Poppadoms go so well with this buttered chicken. But I think we should taste it and see what we have.
Yes. I think it's not going to be too spicy, but I think it's going to be. It looks nice.
It was good. I like butter chicken and this was good.
I felt there was there was something missing. I would have enjoyed it even more if perhaps it was a bit more spicy, or even I wanted a creamier sauce with the butter chicken.
It could have been a little bit more spicy, but the flavors were good. Very, very good. So I am impressed.
So, ek het vir julle 'n chocolava hooped koffie gemaak met 'n amarulaatjie en eatable glitter. So julle kan al die glitter eet wat op julle bord is en met 'n strawberry daarbey. Ek hoop julle gaan dit geniet. O, en binne in die chocolava hooped koffie is Toblerone chocolate.
Ooh. Bernard, it's our final meal. I'm looking forward to the next one because all this nice food was really good. So let's see what Natasha has given us for dessert.
If I'm not mistaken, it needs to be moist on the inside. So we're looking for something that is quite liquidy on the inside, soft, and also not too hard on the outside. Visually, it looks nice. I enjoy it. It looks nice. It sits well on the plate. Can't find anything wrong with that.
Dankie. Geniet dit julle.
That was delicious. To think that these people were so worried, they are not qualified, they are not chefs, and yet you can dish up this food in any restaurant.
No, I have to agree with you. It's been a very interesting week. We've tasted some amazing food. I think all of the contestants learned a lot, not just from one another, but actually from coping with stress and how to handle certain things and elements that are actually out of your control. Because there will always be something that's going to happen. But if we look on to the dessert now here, I enjoyed the dessert. It was nice. I expected it to be a bit more moist on the inside.
But no, after all, it was a very good meal.